Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I want to get right into the video on SPY and where I think the direction is going for today. I know yesterday we hit targets. We hit basically every single target. And as of right now, we are looking at, we are on trend. So as of right now, we are currently hitting trend. As far as direction, I'm still a little iffy. I don't really know for sure where we're going to be headed to because we are on trend. So I would think that as of right now, as of here, we are looking at coming back down a little bit just because we're hitting that trend. But this does look like we could push to 560. I am a little bit more bearish than bullish today, to be honest, just because we're hitting this trend on SPY. And we're still bearish on the 4-hour, and on the daily, we actually are curling a little bit, right? So my only real conclusion here is that we are curling, and this could look like we could drop all the way back down to around 554. So I'm still a little unsure about direction, to be honest. It does look bearish overall. There's no news. There's not really like any big news that would impact this at all, but it does look like we have a really good chance of coming back down again. So if I had to pick a direction, I'd say bearish today just because we're on that trend. But to be honest, I'm still unsure where we're actually going to go just because, you know, I think Target just had earnings. They did really well. So that's why that's why we are pushing right now, right? If Target earnings did bad, 100%, this would have come back down to like 557 and we'd be headed to 554 right now, right? I can almost guarantee that would happen. But because as of right now, we are on trend, I would say I'm a little bit more bearish today. And then you keep holding up these levels, right? So again, you keep holding up these levels right here, right? Levels keep holding up. You keep pushing towards the upside. So I gotta say that you are looking a little bit more like it's trying to turn more bullish right now. And I definitely think that you could spike to 560. But again, I'm very unsure about where we're going right now. If I had a pick, I'd say maybe bearish to the low side. But just on this, just how it's acting on trend, I would definitely say that today you have a really good chance at pushing up towards 560. That's what it looks like, honestly. So anybody with shorts or even longs, I'd say get out and wait for a bigger confirmation. I should probably wait to 560 to short. So I'm actually in shorts now. So I should probably get out, honestly. I'm probably going to get out of my shorts just because I'm unsure of where we're going to go today. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm still kind of neutral. If I had to pick a direction, I'd say a little bit lower to back to 559 again, or 559.11. Just because that was our previous, that was a previous level, and we do have some gaps to fill down here at these lower levels at like 558.35 and stuff. But again, I don't know, man. It's acting pretty bullish at this trend, so I would not be surprised if we just push up. So I would have to, I would have to say that I'm probably more neutral still than anything else. I think I'm still pretty neutral. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna pick a direction, but as of right now where it stands, if I had to pick, I'd say lower, but really it's neutral. I gotta wait another day or so to figure out where we're actually gonna go. But as of right now, all targets have hit. Don't really know where we're headed today. So I think I gotta wait a little bit before I make a final decision of where I think we're going. But I think we could go either way. I think we can come back down to 559 and lower, or we could push to 560. I have no idea. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.